This next story proves that yes indeed, drugs are for mugs, as a Mexican girl suffers from skin rotting after injecting herself with street drug Krokodil, and you won't believe where she suffered it. It ain't pretty. What's up guys, my name is Sam and you are watching I.O. So we've talked about Krokodil here on I.O. before, and it's a street drug that apparently gives similar effects to heroin, but it is made from using crushed codeine and household chemicals, making it somewhat of a dirty, nasty drug. It was first produced in Russia where consumption peaked in 2011, but thankfully it has begun to decline because they began to restrict the sale of codeine. Now the impurities of the drug are said to damage vascular tissue, which actually ends up causing the skin to rot. And that is what may have happened to the 17-year-old Mexican girl. After using the drug for 2 months, she is not only suffering from the hideous side effect, but it happens to be happening in her genital area. Public authorities in Mexico released the details of this gruesome case, as it is the first to ever be reported in the state of Jalisco. So this girl came forward because she has lacerations on her genital area, which was said to not be from a sexually transmitted disease, but rather an infection caused by her addiction to the street drug. Now if a rotting lady part isn't enough to put you off taking a drug, I don't know what is. That's pretty terrifying. Now what's more terrifying is the young girl who is from Puerto Vallarta did tell police that she was able to find the drug very easily on a street corner, which is obviously causing worry that the drug is so readily available and that it does so much damage in rather a short amount of time. So the moral of the story is drugs just aren't very good for anyone. What do you guys think of this story? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to click on the links for more information.